What up guys, I'm back again with the Guzzi and we're gonna be working on the fuel tank. So here's what I got going on. I have some ugly rusted bolts that I'm not too happy with. I wanna replace these bolts with some nice stainless steel. It was a bit challenging to try and get these out. There's 8 of them, but only 4 of them hold themselves to the tank, and then the other ones are somewhat decorative. They are threaded, they are tapped into here, but they are not required to be removed to get this ring off the tank. And then pull this ring out. So that's how it comes out. And if you're having trouble figuring out which bolts to take off, mine were just a little bit off from center. So this one was about northeast, this one was about southeast, southwest, and northwest to get these bolts out. And then the other ones just sit in these little pockets. A little bit of an issue that I had was that some of these bolts needed to be drilled out. I don't think you could see in there, but if I were to do it again, I would just drill the heads off, get the ring off, and then get some vice grips and take it off through there. It was a bit challenging. I was using a hammer and a bit and pounding it in there, and I was worried I was gonna bust up the tank, but I think with this dispersing the weight a bit evenly, it saved me from busting the tank. But just to be clear, drill out the ones that hold this ring to the tank, take it off, and then we're gonna get these bolts out after it's off. Here are the replacement bolts I got. These ones are stainless steel. I don't know why they didn't go with stainless steel to begin with. They went with, I think these are zinc coated or something, but yeah, they obviously rusted out and didn't do what they're supposed to do. Then I got these 3 to get out, and I got a plan for those. The thread size for these is an M580. The Allen size that was for this was a 3. Now without further ado, let's get these bolts out. Seeing if I can loosen up the bolt. Well, oh, there we go. Got it. Oh, I did break it off. Look at that. Look, it's just coming out. Perfect. So same thing, got to tighten down, see if I can loosen it up with it being mounted in here. There it is. Yep, got it. Then drill this thing out. Oh yeah, that's done. Just gotta break it off. There it is. Got it. Okay, head should pop off. There it is. And then this should come out. Nice. Here we go. Round around. Yep. Nice. All right, the holes are nice and tapped and they are looking good. Got to do the ones on the bike next. You don't want to go too tight on these. Just enough to clean those threads up and get the new bolts in. Yeah, that cleaned up good. Sweet, got them all done. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna use a toothbrush and some of this Bars Keeper's Friend. It says it's safe for aluminum and stainless, right there. So I'm gonna give that a shot and see how that turns out. Well, it's taking away the lighter stuff, but it looks like it's working. Oh yeah, it's getting it. Look at that. Slowly but surely. I think it's going to take me a little bit to get all that off, but I'll be back once I'm done. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Turned out pretty good. That's how the back looks now. Give this stuff a try if you want to try and clean up some of your aluminum. Let's get it back on the bike. Alright guys, here it is back on the bike, and I gotta say that is looking pretty darn good. Now to finish this up, I got some anti-seize, but I got nickel anti-seize. And I guess that's what you're supposed to have when you have two dissimilar metals, especially when you have stainless steel and aluminum coming together, because that will help galling and prevent galvanic corrosion from happening. So I'm going to dip my bolts in this stuff and put it back together. And there it is, guys. That's looking pretty good. And with these being stainless, these won't rust out anymore. The nickel anti-cheese will keep it from getting stuck in there and season like it did last time, and any future repairs will be easy to do. Thanks for checking in on the Moto Guzzi update. I'll see you on the next one.